In this technology-driven, rapid-changing world, innovation is key for success. The digital transformation of the world is a perfect environment for us. Introducing the next generation Folio. Redesigned and recharged. Meet SmartPad 2.0. High-tech functionality on traditional craftsmanship creates a user-friendly design that maximises your output without sacrificing the feel and freedom of paper notes. With built-in wireless charging technology never seen before in a leather-bound Folio. Now faster, more versatile, and enough power for up to 4 charges on your smartphone device anywhere you take it. State-of-the-art components encased on premium calf leather. Brass zippers enable an extremely well-designed assembly. Our unique internal layout has been completely redesigned, resulting in the second-generation Infinity paper notes. Now, with an option to be scanned and erased. No more scattered notes, carrying heavy documents, dead phones, or unorganised workflow. All your ideas and life's work synced into one leather-bound Folio. SmartPad 2.0, your workflow streamlined.